Hello everyone, welcome back to Phaipedia YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the PhD admission at Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. So my name is Deepak and I am a research scholar at Indian Institute of Management. So if you are new to our YouTube channel Phaipedia, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel Phaipedia for such PhD related information videos related to the national and international conferences, like the video on the from the toppers uh, who are doing their higher education and who have completed their higher educations, also related to the official notifications of the PhD admission at different IIM and IIT. In recent, I have uploaded a video on the here you can see that the video on PhD admission at IIT Bhilai. So you can watch this video also. Okay, so let's start this video. So here, when we talk about the PhD admission at IIT Roorkee, so here you can see the admission browser for PhD admission year 2026-27. So these are the content from where you can download the browser. I will let you know. Okay, so let's talk about the IIT Roorkee a little bit. So it is basically established in September 21, 2001, okay, as formally designated as Indian Institute of Technology through a Government of India ordinance. Okay, and also when we talk about the courses here, so in today, IIT Roorkee continue to set higher benchmark in education and it offers undergraduate programs in 14 disciplines of engineering, architecture and design, along with 6 integrated master's programs in engineering and science. And additionally, the institute offers 60 postgraduate programs across fields such as engineering, applied science, architecture and planning, management, humanities and social science, design and innovation. Further fostering research and discoveries, it also offered doctoral program across all its departments, centers and schools. Okay, so basically the location of IIT Roorkee is situated in the foothill of Himalaya. Okay, now let's talk about the campus. So the IIT Roorkee campus spreads over 356 acres, but you will let you know that there are three campuses of IIT Roorkee. So first one is Roorkee campus in Uttarakhand. Second one is the second one is 50 kilometer away from the main Roorkee campus in Saharanpur. Specialization of these campus in paper and packaging technology, polymer and process engineering, and applied mathematics and scientific computing. And the third one is in Greater Noida campus center in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so let's talk now about the doctoral research. So why, what like in keeping in the view the long tradition of academic excellence, the following institutional goals have been laid for doctoral research. So what are the goals? First one is to develop deep, broad understanding of fundamentals and state of the art of knowledge in chosen field through courses and self-study. Second one is to develop synergy between creativity, innovation, frontiers of knowledge in the chosen field of study. Third one is to develop ability skills to carry out independent research and development to face the challenges posed in mankind specific problems. Okay, and the last one is to develop abilities in to identify new possibilities in the given Indian social context and to undertake research and development through one's own initiative. Okay, now come to the important point, like the important dates. So 24th March 2026, the start of the application form, which is already happened. Now the last date for filling of the application form is 20th April 2026. So hurry up, fill now. Okay, and the date of academic registration by the candidates in person. Okay, you have to visit the campus by 13th to 14th July 2026. And the commencement of classes, like the classes will start from 16th July 2026. Okay, now let's talk about the common eligibility criteria or minimum eligibility criteria CMEC for the PhD admission at IIT Roorkee. So You should have, like the applicants with the master's degree should satisfy the following. First one is general category, EWS or OBC category, minimum cumulative grade point average CGPA of 6 out of on a scale of point 10, like 10 point scale, or the 60% marks you should have. For ST/SC PWD category, minimum CGPA of 5.5 on the 10 point scale, like 55% marks you should have. Second one is the qualified in a national level test such as GATE, SEED, JEST, UGC NET, CSIR NET, including lectureship, assistance, professorship, PhD only or equivalent, or holding a national level fellowship you have to require, like the degree and these scorecards. Now the second one is applicants of all the categories, like all the categories we have discussed, having B.Tech degree or MSc with a CGPA of 8 and above from the Ministry of Education funded technical institutes. Okay, the requirement of national level tests such as GATE and NET is exempted. For this type of candidate, there is no need of GATE and NET. Okay, B.Tech degree or MSc degree with CGPA of 8 and above from the Ministry of Education funded technical institutes. Okay. Now the third one is applicants in all categories with 4-year bachelor degree from the institutes other than the Ministry of Education funded technical institutes, other than, and having a minimum of CGPA 7.5 on a 10-point scale or 75% marks. So there will be a requirement of the scorecard. For this type of scorecard you have to require. The fourth one is applicants of all the categories with a bachelor's or master degree from the IITs with a CGPA of 8 and above on the 10-point scale. Such candidates are exempted from the requirement of qualifying test, like the GATE, the different scorecards you don't require, okay, for applying to this PhD program at IIT Roorkee, if you are from the IIT with 8 or above CGPA. Okay. Now the fifth one is applicants of all categories with MBBS, BAMS, BHMS, BDS degree from the Indian university institutions shall have minimum CGPA of 6 on the 10-point scale or 60% in the qualifying degree. Such candidates are exempted. So there is no need of these scorecards for this type of candidates also. Now the last one is applicants with Master of Surgery MS degree or Doctor of Medicine MD degree from the Indian universities institutions are exempted from a minimum CGPA criteria, like there is no minimum criteria for CGPA, and also there will be a no requirement of such scorecards. Okay, so they can directly apply to the PhD programs. Now note, like if a 4-year BS degree may be considered equivalent to the BE B.Tech degree. Further, IIT graduates with BS degree who have qualified JEE Advanced and secured a CGPA of greater than 8 will be exempted from the GATE requirement. Okay, you should keep in mind. Now the CGPA or percentage of marks in aggregate in case marks are awarded for all years or semesters will be considered. If the CGPA is awarded on a scale of 10-point scale, proportionate conversion to a 10-point scale will be considered. Now, the requirement of qualifying in a national level test such as this test, including lectureship and all, fellowship is not applicable to candidates in ISERS or these categories. Candidates with a medicine degree from a overseas university or institutes should have qualified the foreign medical graduate examinations or equivalent conducted by the National Board of Examinations. So these are the things you should take a screenshot or pause a video to read these. I will not go in detail. Okay, so let's talk about the minimum eligibility education qualifications and area of specializations for the admission in PhD programs in different departments and centers or schools. So these are the departments, these are the specialization, and these are the minimum educational qualification for that particular department. So you can refer this. I will also provide you a link in the description box, or you can comment down in the comment section, or also connect us on the phaipedia@gmail.com, our email ID, so that I will share this browser with you. Okay, or you can download from the official website of IIT Roorkee. So these are the different departments, specialization, and the degree required for those departments. You can go through it. These are the departments at the Saharanpur campus. Now, the PhD admission categories and related information. So, candidates seeking admission to the PhD program under following categories must fulfill the common minimum eligibility criteria as we have discussed earlier, and the minimum educational qualifications as mentioned in the 4.1 and 4.2. Okay, for the institute with department, specialization, and minimum requirement. After that, you will get a full-time research scholarship. Like there are different types of scholarship you will get. First one is the Institute Assistantship Research Scholarship, which will be given to you from the IIT Roorkee, and you have to work at least 10 hours per week towards the job assigned by the department, centers, or school. After that, you will get per month scholarship. Okay, and other than these are the different types of scholarship you will get. Okay, now is there anything important? So, Golden Girl scheme for female applicants. So, Golden Girl scheme is there. So, the eligibility is basically the first rank holders, like the gold medalist female candidates in qualifying degree from any IIT or the institute or university within the top 50 NIRF ranking. So, okay. So this is the direct admission procedure to IIT Roorkee PhD admission. So any gold medalist female candidates who is graduated from the IIT or any other institute or university in top 50 rank of NIRF ranking can directly apply to the PhD program at IIT Roorkee. Okay, and these are the different things. Okay, now these are the prize awards and medals you will get for the PhD student during their PhD. So, for example, you will get 50,000 rupees per year or a maximum of 5 awards for what? For outstanding research work in engineering, management, architecture, and humanities. And many more awards are there. There is also a TCS Research Scholar Program in which you will get 70,000 per month stipend and 75,000 per month stipend for third and fourth year. So 70,000 for first and second year and 75,000 for third and fourth year. This is the TCS Research Scholar Program. So if you want to know more about this program, then I will make a separate video. Comment down in the comment section like we want TCS Research Scholar Program, or you can comment on the TCS. I will understand and I will make a separate video on this. So the academic registration, so you have to register before at 13th at Saharanpur campus and on 14th at Roorkee campus. And regular classes will start from 16th July 2026 as we have discussed earlier. Okay, the documents you have to require, like you can apply before 20th April 2026 through online, and the documents you have to you have to fill or upload during the filling of the application form are the color photograph, signature, and these are the things like the category, certificate, 10th, 12th, bachelor degree, master degree, experience certificate, GATE scorecard, certificate of first rank gold medalist if you are coming in that category, and in case of non-availability of any of the certificate, upload an undertaking as given in the annexure 1. Okay, so these are the things, steps to be followed: access URL, click apply online, then register or sign in, then complete application form, then pay fee online, then download application form, and then note the sequence number of your application form. Application form fee is non-refundable, and for general EWS and OBC non-creamy layer it is 500 rupees, and for SC ST PWD candidate it is 250 rupees. And keep in mind it is non-refundable. Candidates opt for more than one department, centers or schools. The application fees should be paid in accordance to the number of departments or centers. Okay, so if you are applying for two departments, then for general category candidates, you have to pay 500 rupees plus 500 rupees. Okay, and so on. So this is the official email ID, website, or WhatsApp number of the IIT Roorkee. So you can connect on these details for further information and all. Okay, and this is the another one I am talking about. So I hope you like this video, and if you are new to our YouTube channel, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for such related videos on PhD and national international conferences, guidance for the research work, how to write the research paper, how to make a research proposal, how to write SOP and all uh, related to the methodology and all, and many more workshops we conduct uh, on YouTube. So, or we also give the personal guidance to you. So, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.